We're going to learn about the grammar of NIHANSHITE. The grammar of NIHANSHITE is mean that against, contrary to, or in contrast to or something. In Japanese, when you use the grammar of NIHANSHITE, that you can use with the noun only. That means you should begin by the noun, and after that followed by NIHANSHITE. Or you can say nihongo, just to have the same meaning, which means against, contrary to, or in contrast to or something. So NIHANSHITE or nihongo just have the same meaning. You can use both of this for making the sentence and talking explain the situation. So now let's go to see some sample of how to use the grammar of NIHANSHITE. The first example, 彼の話は事実に反する。彼の話は事実に反する。Which means what he has said is contrary to the facts. What he has said is contrary to the facts. The next example. 予想に反して彼は成功した。予想に反して彼は成功した。Which means that contrary to my expectation, he succeeds. Contrary to my expectation, he succeeds. For the first sentence, you see that they use before the 反する they use 事実 right? 事実 is mean the facts or the truth. So it's the noun. So after the 事実 they use に反する which means that it's opposite. It's opposite or opposite. It's opposite with the truth, right? So they will use 反する when you have the opposite opinion, or when you see that the happened situation it has the opposite opinion. So in this sentence it says 彼の話は事実に反する. That means he said not true, because the fact is you see that the fact is not what he has said. So you can say 彼の話は事実に反する. And for the second sentence, you see that 予想に反して彼は成功した. 予想 is mean that what you expect, but the situation that the real situation that happened is opposite with your expectation. So you can say 予想に反して which means your opinion, right? 彼は成功した. He succeeded. For the second sentence, they want to say that if you have your friends and your friend will do a job, but you say that, for example, he will take an examination to entrance the university, right? For example, Tokyo University, something like this, but you say he cannot pass. In your opinion, you expect that he cannot pass the examination to entrance the Tokyo University, but the fact after that after the examination passed away, he can entrance to the Tokyo University. That means the truth is opposite, right? So you can say 予想に反して which means contrary to my expectation. 彼は成功した. He succeeds. That means when you use the grammar of 反する, that means you will use this to explain the opposite situation. If they take the examination, they take the example like this, then you will explain that the opposite with that example to explain opposite side. The next example, 車内でタバコを吸うのは社の規則に反する。車内でタバコを吸うのは社の規則に反する。Which means smoking in the office is against company's rules. Smoking in the office is against company rules. Next example. 予想に反して試験はとても簡単だった。予想に反して試験はとても簡単だった。Which means, contrary to my expectations, the test was really easy. Contrary to my expectations, the test was really easy. For the first sentence, it said, 車内でタバコを吸うのは社の規則に反する。Which means, if you smoking in the office, right? If you smoke in the office, it's against the company's rules, because the company rule they define that no smoking in the office, right? But you smoke, that means opposite with the rule, so you can say 反する. 反する is mean opposite. And for the second sentence, it says 予想に反して試験はとても簡単だった. That means when you apply for the examination, whatever the examination, but before you apply, you think that it's very difficult, but in the fact the examination, when you already apply, you see that it's very easy. So it's opposite with your opinion, that what you think before. So you can say 予想に反して which means it's opposite with what you think, what you thought, what your opinion was expect before. So you can say 反して. So contrary to my expectation, the task was very easy. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。